Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Heidi's home. I'm going to be sipping my coffee a little bit while I'm doing this voiceover. We have gone from 84 degrees to freeze warning, and I had to turn my heat back on, and it is messing with my vocal cords really bad. But in light of that, we're going to keep pressing on with the spring cleaning series, and in this video, you're going to see me doing some painting. I am sick and tired of the way this wall looked. I used a very cheap chalkboard paint on this wall. At first it was okay, but then it started looking really blotchy. There was a lot of mishaps with it. It was darker in some areas and lighter in others. And so I spoke to the guy at the paint section, and he told me not to roll this on, but to actually brush it on, and that it would go on a lot smoother. The way that I can describe this chalkboard paint is the fact that it's almost like tar. It's really thick. It's not your typical paint, and you're not going to be keeping your brush after you use it, at least in my experience. So if you want to use a cheaper brush to put it on, I understand that. Once I got this fully covered, I was very satisfied with the way it looked. It's very clean now. I've got my mirror hung up. You'll see that at the end of this video. This is where my coffee bar goes, and I really love that black in behind there. I really like the way that it looks. It kind of gives me coffee vibes. I don't know how to describe it, but when I did it, I actually seen it on Pinterest, and I really like the look of it, and I'm really happy with the outcome. So we're going to get right into some spring cleaning, and this is actually my coffee bar. It's really a TV stand that my dad bought and put together, and I absolutely love it. It kind of has like a rustic feel to it. Once I got the back of the coffee bar all wiped down, I'm doing the walls, the baseboards, and the floor, and I'm going to give this a good mop. So I've decided to clear out all of the insides of these cabinets, see what I have, what I don't have, wipe everything out, put everything back. And I end up not putting everything back into this. I love the fact that this has a lot of storage. I am a coffee cup lover. Probably every time I go to Hobby Lobby, I feel like I have this voice that says, hey, you need another coffee mug. Every time I go on a vacation, you need another coffee mug. But I don't need any more coffee mugs as of right now. But I only have 3 spring coffee mugs, which I thought was funny because I had like a vast variety for Thanksgiving and fall, and a vast variety for even Valentine's Day and Christmas, but only 3 for Easter. So I think I might need to buy a few more, but I think I'm going to hold back for now. But I just want to get this nice and tidy and a little bit more organized. So let me know, do you guys like coffee mugs as much as I do? So we had steamed potatoes and meatloaf and baked beans for dinner. And now it's time to get back into cleaning. I'm going to remove everything from this little corner bookshelf, wipe it all down, just get it all nice and cleared. I'm also probably going to arrange this stuff a little bit differently, just because, I like to change things up a little bit. And so I'm going to be, you won't believe, I have to say this, you won't believe, I dust this every week. But when I took everything out of it and I was cleaning the books and I was cleaning every little nook and cranny, I couldn't believe the dust built up. There was quite a bit of dust. So there are dust bunnies hiding where you might not necessarily think they're hiding. But I felt really good after I got it all done, and it looked really cute too. So after giving my little window a good wipe down, and understand that I washed those curtains a couple weeks ago, so they didn't need to be re-washed. But I went ahead and I wiped down the inside of the window, made sure there was no little dust bunnies hiding in there. And now I'm hitting the floors, and I'm going to be wiping down the tables and the chairs and just kind of sprucing the area. I'm also going to wipe down all the woodwork around the kitchen area as well as the baseboards. So we're going to decorate a little bit for Easter. I don't do this all the time, but I went to Hobby Lobby and I found these really adorable items, and I just wanted to spruce up my eating area a little bit for Easter. I'm going to end the video here. I hope you all felt inspired and that you enjoyed this video of cleaning and painting and doing a little decorating. I'm going to leave you guys with seeing my coffee bar area. It's really clean, it's nice, it's organized. I don't have everything hung on the walls yet. I did get Ronnie's snack containers all loaded for him for the week. I'm very pleased with it. Thanks so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, give me a like, and I will talk to you all again soon. Bye, guys.